today our topic is cloud computing. And to start the chapter, let's move on the next topic, that is definition of cloud computing. So, what is cloud computing? It is the use of hardware and software to deliver a service over a network, typically the internet. So, when we are using hardware and software both to deliver a service over a network, then that is called computer network. An example of cloud computing provider is Google Gmail. Gmail users can access files and application hosted via the internet from any device. So this is the definition of cloud computing. In other sense, we can also call cloud computing is a technology that provide resources and services over the internet. So what are the resources in this case? Resources include email messages, music, photos, game, etc. And services include accessing software and storing files online. So these resources and services combinedly provide the technology that is known as cloud computing. Now further is, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage is an internet service that provides storage facility to computer users. Some cloud storage facilities are free and some are paid. So now, what are the reasons for choosing the cloud computing? Number one, accessibility. Now, what is accessibility? The data and applications are available worldwide only with an internet connection. So we can have, if we are having the cloud computing facility, so we can have our data anywhere in the world. What is the requirement is only it is the requirement is internet connection. The another reason for choosing the cloud computing is cost saving. By using the cloud's infrastructure, you do not have to spend huge amounts of money on purchasing and maintaining equipment. This drastically reduces cost and investment in hardware. The further reason is space saving. It gives you almost unlimited data storage space. Also, it's cheaper and more secure than traditional storage mediums. Another reason is scalability. And now, what is scalability? Scalability is a property of a system to handle a growing amount of work by adding resources to them. Another property, these are the reasons for which cloud computing is in trend nowadays. Now, what are the advantages of the cloud computing? Obviously, this is cost saving. Other one is security. Other one is flexibility. Next one is increased collaboration. Another one is quality control, then disaster recovery, then loss prevention, and at last, the advantage is automatic software update. So, these are the advantages of cloud computing. Now, another one topic is service provider. Now, the company that provides services for the cloud computing is known as service provider. Now, some companies are Amazon Web Services, in short, it is known as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure. So, these are the services that provides you the service for the cloud computing. The other services are Flickr.com, that is used to upload the image on the website. Flickr, it is a server that is used to upload the images, and other one is Google Docs. It is used to create documents online. So these are the other services which are used for the cloud storage. Now coming on the topic, next one is characteristics of cloud computing. What are the features of the cloud computing? The number one is on demand self service. With a cloud app, you just open a browser, log in, and start working. This eliminates the need of IT experts to manage resources. It means when you want to store the data on the cloud, you just require a cloud app. You have to just log in the browser and start your you can start your cloud computing, and you can store the data online. This facility eliminates the need of IT experts to manage the resources. Another characteristic is elasticity. With cloud computing, companies can scale up the resources as computing need increases and scale down the resources as computing needs decreases. This eliminates the need of large investments in infrastructure. This is the property of elasticity. Other one is pay per use. In the cloud computing, your computer resources are measured and only you pay for the resources and the workload you use. Another one is resource pooling. In resource management, pooling is the grouping together of resources for the purposes of maximizing advantage or minimizing risk to the user. Now, to understand this concept better, let me give you the example. And the example I'm taking is from your school, and that is school bus. The example that I like to use is a school bus. School bus is a vehicle to bring students back and forth. Imagine what the roads would be like if every student had their own vehicle and driver. Just imagine the situation. What will be the situation on the roads? Delays you encounter and taxes you have to pay. So if you pool the school bus, so all these whatever you are having the delays or the maintenance or the taxes you have to pay, this this will not happen, and safely you will move to the school. Now, in concern of again resource pooling not only just increase the potential of individual units by combining them, but resource pooling also removes obstacles from those paths. When your server are pooled, you spend less time supporting and maintaining these resources. So this is the concept of the resource pooling in terms of the characteristics or the features of the cloud computing. Now further is the types of cloud. There are four types of cloud. Number one, private cloud. Number two, public cloud. Number three, hybrid cloud. And number four, community cloud. Now, what is private cloud? Private cloud is a service subscribed by an organization. It provides services to the user within the organization. So, if a organization is having the service of cloud computing, then it is called private cloud because it is privately occupied by an organization. So another one is public cloud. A public cloud is a service which is not subscribed by any organization. These services provided in this cloud can be accessed by any organization or individual. The cloud which is free for everybody to use, that is called public cloud. Now another one is hybrid cloud. Now what is hybrid cloud? When there are the combination of both private cloud and the public cloud, then it becomes the hybrid cloud. Another one is community cloud. What is community cloud? In community cloud, the services are offered to a group of organizations and community. If a community or a group of organization is having the facility of cloud computing, then it is called community cloud. Other one is Google Docs. The next topic is to discuss is Google Docs. What is Google Doc? It is also known as Google Document. It is an online office suite in which you can create, edit, and share three types of documents. These three types of documents are: number one, obvious document is there, other one, spreadsheet, and number three is presentation. And this is the logo of Google Docs, which you can, if you log in the Google Docs, this is the logo that appears in front of you, that is the logo of Google Docs. Other one is Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage developed by the Google. When you create a document in Google Docs, it will automatically saves in Google Drive. Then the files saved in the Google Drive can be accessed from anywhere. Whatever what is the requirement is just the requirement is just with the internet connection. So the free online storage is 15 GB on the drive. On the drive, the facility that is available free of cost for the storage is 15 GB. Now this is the logo of Google Drive. When you log in the Google Drive, this logo is this logo appears in front of you, and this is the logo of Google Drive. Now thank you all, and have the concept clear in your mind.